Set includes. The 16 ounces spray bottle set comes in a fun eye-catching color, with funnel and labels. Ideal containers for cleaning, gardening, travel and hair products. Superior leak-proof quality. 500 ml plastic empty spray bottles, features a tight seal that will prevent any liquids from dripping out. No worry about water leakage. Adjustable settings. The nozzle easily adjusts from the spray to mist setting. Easily adjust between 3 trigger settings including mist, stream and off by simply turning the nozzle, for plant spray bottle. CONVEIENT. The unique design makes empty spray bottles fit comfortably in your hand, and your fingers rest easily on the trigger, very useful. Multi-purpose. Great spritzer bottle for spray bottles for cleaning solutions, hair spray bottles, garden and plant care, pet training and more. Spray bottles for cleaning solutions. Squirt bottles for cleaning solutions, great for your personal, essential oil blends and home cleaning solution recipes. Spray bottle for hair. Spray bottle for home use and professional hair salons, can also be used for watering or cleaning. Hair spray bottles. Spray bottle container to train pets, dogs, cats for misting cat-dog pet and training behavior. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice little sprayer. I bought these to mist my orchids and other indoor plants. They work perfectly, make a very fine mist and don't leak or drip. They also hide nicely amongst the pots. Would buy again.